fam? Good morning from Gladys. We had a lovely night in the camper. Camping when the transition from winter to spring is happening, when it's cold outside. Love it. I love sleeping in the cold. But the wife and Ann from camping in yesterday's vlog, they're already out. They started a fire. Rachel had coffee. Ann's snagging a banana. Like, they're good to go. So I guess it's time to wake up and get outside. Awesome part about this campsite is that, you know, traditionally if you need to use a bathhouse, you kind of have to walk around the campground to get to the one that's nearest to your site. You can just follow this little trail that I'm on right now that will take you from your campsite over to the nearest bathhouse. You just do a small little hike and you're where you need to be. Much better. And I love it. Alum Creek State Park, your campgrounds, they're cool. There goes Bernie. We hung out with Bernie at Walsh, and we hung out with Bernie yesterday.
Yeah, we did.
What a time.
Bernie, you're awesome.
Bernie,
See you.
peace. What are you doing?
I'm just opening up our beautiful camper. Look at this picture. I love it.
What is that?
It's a beautiful picture from my sister. Goodbye.
Babe, what did we just see?
A tree?
No, we saw a tab, babe.
I know!
We saw a tab 400 in a driveway, and that is essentially...
Also, there's a tennis court in that house.
I don't want that. I want the tab 400. It's the dad to our tag. Dad! We have arrived to the homestead, and now it's time to do some physical fitness.
That was physical.
We're going on a run. We just went on a solid 1.5 mile run, snuck it in right before the rain, so that's lovely. But now Ann, who is like tucked back here around Gladys, she is heading out back to her home in Columbus. Rachel has to go to work, so that means the Saturday is for the boys. Actually, singular, it's for the boy. I'm just gonna probably hang out and edit a video. Yeah. Well, I tried to play some Warzone with my buddy Joe Walsh. Did not turn out so well. But yesterday's vlog, now exporting, I did realize I left the cooler from camping in the camper that is at my parents' house, so I gotta go get that because there's ice cream in it. Plus, I just want to eat that ice cream. We've got the cooler. It has been secured. Time for ice cream. However, the parents did rope me into a game of Catan, which my mother won. Dang it! The wife is home.
Hi, babe.
She's making popcorn. If you did not know, I do a variety of different projects and businesses, and one of those is being a wedding videographer. I just created some cool little like thank you review notes that I'm gonna be sending to each of my couples. I love marketing and I love making videos. It's perfect. I'm very excited. Look at these beauties and that cute little finger couple. And then on the back, it's like a little note, and I have a cute USB that I put there with all the videos and cool content, and then I write like a little thank you right there. Boom! Well, fam, yesterday I forgot to end the vlog because I essentially just like dove into bed and fell asleep. But yeah, this is the end of the vlog, and today's gonna be super exciting because we're going mountain biking with Rachel's brother in Oberlin. Hey, we're going to the place where your shirt says.
I thought you were just talking to yourself.
Yeah, that happens sometimes. But yeah, next vlog, which will actually be today's vlog, you'll see some mountain biking. Let's go ride some bikes!